I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making, whatchamacallit. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. My late friend Paul was a founding compadre, and he was always making suggestions for treats. Last year, he reminded me about Whatchamacallit bars. If you're not familiar, imagine a Rice Krispie treat with peanut butter, caramel, and chocolate. There's even some butterscotch to add another layer of flavor. If you think that sounds good, wait until you try one. You shouldn't have to wait long though, because I'm about to show you how to make your own. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own whatchamacallit, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white corn syrup, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 2½ tablespoons of butterscotch chips, and 1 cup of chocolate or melting wafers. For the caramel layer, you'll need 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of butter, and 15 caramels. You'll also need a saucepan, a spoon or a spatula, some jars for the caramel, a bowl, and a cutting board lined with SilPat parchment or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. We'll start with the caramel filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the sweetened condensed milk and butter. Stir it until the butter has melted. Then add the caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. When the caramels are fully melted, pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside to cool. Next, in a saucepan over medium heat, add the brown sugar, corn syrup, and peanut butter. Stir it constantly so it doesn't burn. When everything is melted and smooth, remove it from the heat and add the butterscotch chips, stirring until they're completely melted. Add the cereal and mix until the cereal is well coated. Place the cereal mixture in the baking pan and press it firmly into an even layer. Spread a layer of caramel filling over the cereal mixture. Refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. Place the bars on a lined cutting board and put them back into the refrigerator while you temper the chocolate or melt the wafers. Dip a bar into the chocolate, drain the excess, and place the bar back onto the lined cutting board. Repeat with the remaining bars and leave them on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte. This is really very nice. It's got a really nice chew to it. The chocolate and caramel are as delicious as you'd expect, and there's just enough butterscotch flavor in there to give it a little boost. If you're looking to exponentially ramp up your Rice Krispie treat game, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. And if you think nice, 2.5 tablespoons of butterscotch. Add the cereal and mix it. Dang it. If you're looking to exponentially ramp up your Rice Triscuit, there's an idea.